What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm about to be debadging my F30, guys. So I'm about to take out the 328i from the back off the trunk, and it's a pretty quick process. Really only need like some dental floss, maybe a heat gun or some hot water, and like some WD-40 or some glue gun. So I mean, I got all that stuff. But yeah, I'm about to get right into this video, guys. If y'all enjoy this video, if y'all would give me a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more content. But yeah, guys, we're gonna knock this out real quick. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so it's actually a pretty cold day, cold, windy day in Atlanta today. It's like 30 something, and they say you probably shouldn't do this when it's cold, but it's okay if you have a heat gun or some hot water or something, because they say when it's cold it's harder for the adhesive to come off. But hopefully with my glue gun and my heat gun we can get this off real quick. So yeah, like I said, guys, I'm about to just throw some glue gun on here. It's WD-40 and then just throw the floss behind, start going back and forth, and try to just peel off all of these letters right here. So all right, so I don't even know how well y'all can see, but just from me putting the heat gun to the badges back here, they already kind of loosened up. Like, I can kind of move them already. So I don't know how well y'all can see, but they kind of moving already a little bit. So I'm just give them a little bit more heat, and then I'm gonna throw the WD-40 on. Then I'll start flossing them. And check this out, y'all see this mount I got on right now? This GoPro mount. Hold on. My sister just brought it out to me. It's the chesty. I don't know if how way I can see this. It's really like a chest mount. It's like mounted on my chest. That's pretty far. I've been doing my POV stuff with my head strap one. I got the head strap mount, but I guess my sister just put out a big bag of GoPro mounts. She had the chesty in there. So I was like, oh yeah, bet. Let's do it. But yeah, I thought there was WD-40 on here. Okay, so nothing's even coming out. Oh, that just squirted. Oh shit. All right. Shit shoots out so aggressively. Like, damn, bro. I'm trying to get this greasy stuff all over the whip. Grab this floss though. So I'm just gonna take a decent sized strand.
Floyd, do you hear this?
Just gonna start going behind the letters. That was easy. There's the eye. Just kind of, I might have put a little too much though, because it's kind of messing up my floss. Oh, they ripped the floss. That WD-40's putting in work right now. Another piece, let's get it. Damn. WD-40 ripped the floss again. It's like the WD-40, when I'm rubbing the floss, it's like getting into the floss and like deteriorating it. It's just some cheap floss though. I got it at a gas station. No cap. Bruh. Hold on. I'm about to hit it with some more heat. Alright, y'all, we getting them off now. I just threw a little bit more heat on with the heat gun. But they pretty hot. sheesh, it's hot. It literally burnt it. So if y'all doing this, make sure y'all probably get a good brand floss, some stronger floss than what I have, because this floss is just breaking. But we getting somewhere. We got the 8 in the eye off, so just gonna keep applying heat and loosen up that adhesive, and then I'll show y'all after I get all these letters off. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, I got all the letters off. Here they are right here. The old badge right here. Now we just got a little bit of excess adhesive and stuff, so we're just gonna throw some WD on, and I also threw some glue gun on. So y'all, what I'm doing to get this excess adhesive off, guys, is I'm just hitting it with some heat, and I'm taking like a card, like a credit card, like an old card, like a business card, something like that, and just kind of go against it and start kind of peeling it off, and then just try to get off the excess with your fingers. And then all the excess that's left over, I'll just throw the glue gun on and WD-40, and you can wipe it off with a microfiber and just get the extra little small piece. But you want to get this bigger stuff off, try to peel it off with your finger and use the card, guys. Yeah, we almost done. I'm about to show y'all the finished product. All right, y'all, so debadging's done. Whew, it took a little minute just to get all the excess adhesive off, but it is still a little bit of adhesive left on there. I just gotta buff it out, but I gotta run to work. I'm running late, so I just wanted to get this video nice and finished up. So yeah, what y'all think? Debadged. I think this will really look better when I have the carbon spoiler on too, that I'm about to throw on probably tomorrow, because I gotta go to work now. But also when I get the in-sport bumper put on as well. Still waiting to get that painted. But yeah, debadging, check mark. If y'all like this video, guys, give me a like, a thumbs up, you know, subscribe to the channel. We got more content on the way, guys. I really appreciate it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
I just needed love when she left my side. Now she telling me she loved me, just please don't lie. Cause I've been feeling pain like I'm stuck in the rain. Say you never leave again, baby, please don't change. And I swear this game of love, it'll try insane. Man, I swear this game of love. Man, I swear this game of love, it'll try insane. See, now I really wonder if it'll be the same. Couldn't find her peace of mind, she was fucking with my brain. But I got a queen size and it's written with your name. But I got a queen size and it's written with your name.
I don't think that I'll be able to sleep tonight.